Here we are at room 652 at Maybourne Beverly Hills. I'm starting this time with the bathroom, or rather the entrance, and then going into the bathroom. Two shower heads and a big shaving mirror in the shower. Bathtub has clear rails to get in and out, and bath salts, and a television, two sinks, Bamford toiletries, small push, and superb mouthwash. The Dyson hairdryer sits in its own little drawer. Oh, I do miss the Japanese washlets. Now we come to the walk-in closet with the safe. Good, a de-linter, getting rid of fluff. That's excellent. And we've got coffee with some interesting ceramics that blend beautifully with the color of the overall room, which is very soothing. Off-white, lovely bedhead. Not sure I'm going to be able to read anything. Look at the low set bedside lights, and there's no overhead light. Doors between the bedroom and the sitting room. At the main desk, I've got USBs, very good books. That's a nice touch. And lovely furniture. I really like that sofa. Low-key, this is low-key luxury. Two orchids, sorry I can't take you home. Laurel Perrier. Marvelous, they're selling their cocktails and their television. They're extremely well chosen books. Interesting looking chocolates from Cliff family in Napa Valley. What do we got down here? Here's the mini bar, and it's definitely not automatic. Trying to open, that's it, I've got it. Open the window to my balcony, looking down at an upper level garden and the mountains behind. Here we are, Beverly Hills.